Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply WhatsApp marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of WhatsApp. I'm so excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will take you by the hand and show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you really need to know in order to dominate WhatsApp marketing the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This is exactly what you are going to learn. In video number 1, which is the introduction video, you will get a detailed explanation of what will be included in the complete training so that you can have a clear vision of what to expect from it. In video number 2, you will learn what WhatsApp is all about. We will give you the easiest definition for it, as well as cover very important factors so you can have a simple but accurate and complete understanding of WhatsApp marketing before you start working on it. In video number 3, you will learn why you should definitely use WhatsApp for your business today. You will learn about some of its amazing benefits, as well as several shocking facts that will make you decide to start getting into it right away. In video numbers 4 through 10, you will learn how your business can get the most out of WhatsApp. We will cover topics like setting up and getting to know your account, WhatsApp settings, WhatsApp calls, WhatsApp chats, WhatsApp contacts, WhatsApp web, and how to use it as a business owner and independent professional. In video number 11, you will learn the top WhatsApp automation tools and services that you can use for your business. These are several tools dedicated to giving you highly useful services for WhatsApp marketing, so you can get the most out of it. In video number 12, you will learn 10 do's you have to apply for successful WhatsApp marketing. These are specific things you should remember to use or practice so you can succeed. In video number 13, you will learn 10 don'ts you have to avoid for successful WhatsApp marketing. If you ignore these, be prepared to be disappointed. In video number 14, you will get the chance to look at several shocking WhatsApp marketing case studies. These are actual examples we have taken from the internet to show you how WhatsApp marketing actually works for other businesses, so that you can have complete confidence in your ability to achieve your own business success story. In video number 15, you will learn how to make tons of money with WhatsApp as an online marketer, strategies that you can apply and definitely see great results. These strategies have been used by experienced online marketers obtaining awesome results. Well, it's time to dominate WhatsApp marketing, fellas. I know you will love this training.